Look, the slope at the top of the mountain is probably a whole grove of birch trees, all turned golden yellow. It's the best season in Beijing again. Autumn, Beijing's autumn. If there's no wind, it lasts quite a while. But if a strong wind blows, it can be gone overnight, so you have to hurry and see it. Taking advantage of the holiday, I brought my child to Labagumen. Labagumen is at the northernmost tip of Beijing. When my mom was young, if someone said they were going to be sent down to Labagumen, it felt like they'd never come back, like being exiled to some remote place. So it's also the first place in Beijing to enter autumn. I brought my daughter here to experience autumn early. When it comes to having fun, nothing beats the outdoors. Let's see what interesting things are hidden in these autumn mountains. Oh, there's a spring hidden here, and it's quite neat. This spring is really clean. Yeah, that's right. I want to take a photo of the water and electricity, and since you brought that little box anyway. Yeah, there are all kinds of freshwater shrimp under this water. Mom gave me that little box again. My daughter saw in my previous video that I put my phone in a transparent box to take underwater photos, so she wanted to try it too. If she wants to play, let her play. She successfully went snorkeling. Let's dive to the bottom and take a look. It seems like these freshwater shrimp have no natural enemies here. They have no sense of danger at all and just lie flat on the bottom of the water. They don't even try to find a crack to hide in. Sooner or later, something's bound to happen. Look, here comes a predator, right? I wonder if it can knock the shrimp into the little box. Freshwater shrimp like these are different from the common shrimp. I feel that here in Beijing, these freshwater shrimp are even better adapted to very shallow streams and spring pools. In places like these, you usually won't find real shrimp, but you often see these freshwater shrimp. There are also frogs like this commonly found in mountain streams around Beijing. In the past, people used to call it the Chinese forest frog, but in 2022, a study by Henan Normal University discovered that the ones in Beijing and Hebei are actually a new species, called the Taihang forest frog. So even if you study the most common species, you can still achieve results. There are always new discoveries to be made. Go back and hibernate now. Are you too excited? Can't take it anymore, can you? Aren't these Boston ivy plants beautiful in the mountains? Boston ivy usually climbs trees, not mountains. I used to call this plant three-leaf ground gold, but now people say it might be ground tight. Honestly, I can't tell anymore. If I get confused, I just call them all Boston ivy. Hey, come over and smell this. Pick a leaf, rub it, and take a sniff. This is Jiangru, Elschholzia. It smells like fennel. The northernmost part of Beijing has relatively low temperatures. Now, in early October, the lowest temperature at night is around 10 degrees Celsius. So you need to wear thicker clothes here. But during the day, the temperature rises quickly, and the difference between day and night temperatures is big. In places like this, you need to wear clothes that can be taken apart. When it gets hot at noon, you can just remove the inner lining. It's really convenient. This jacket is waterproof, breathable, and warm. From what I know, the shiny silver layer inside is quite special. Actually, it uses the principle that metal can reflect heat to lock in your own body temperature. The first one is the water strider. This creature is commonly seen as the insect that can run on the surface of water, but it